All right, guys, new graphics day. I got plastics and graphics I got to put on. Some freshies from Donk's Designs. I'm going to see if this is easy as what everybody else makes it look like in the videos by just throwing this thing at it, see what happens. Oh my gosh, it worked. Okay, guys, now you know we got to give a little cinematic view, so I will be right back. Hey guys, this is Lewis from the channel Captain 250FX, and as you just seen in the intro, I just got done putting a brand new graphics kit on my bike from Donk's Designs. So I actually started to notice these guys' graphics kits probably sometime towards the end of last year when I started racing. Pretty much everybody has these kits or a kit from Donk's Designs, and I was like, man, next time it's time for a refresh, I'm definitely going with them. So finally pulled the trigger and they just nailed it. So this is a chameleon in chrome. I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but when I hit, or when the sun hits it from different angles, you know, you got that, you can see it by the number plate, but you got that you know, that rainbow looking effect, that like purple, red, yellow is what I see through the camera anyways. But this kit just pops. Absolutely love the way it turned out. He actually did get a hold of me last night and he said he's got the, I don't know what you call it, the stencils or whatever for the handguard. So I'm going to get some graphics made up for that too. Look at that. Donk's Design, there's his logo. But anyways, this guy's taking over the game. His kits are beautiful. Think about it, guys. It's that time of the year. If you ride or race as much as I do, your bike is probably looking a little bit rough. So this is usually about the time I redo my bike every year, about the midway point. So why not make your bike look as good as it runs? And yeah, it's definitely that time of year. So take advantage of that Captain 250FX discount code. I'll leave that in the description. And remember, guys, if you look good, you feel good. If you feel good, you ride good. And if you're like me, if all else fails and you're just going slow and struggling, well, at least you're going to look good. So anyways, guys, take advantage of that code. And this company's kits are amazing. All right, guys, thanks for watching.